Hi, I'm John Tucker at Mobile World Congress. We've just launched this new range of devices. This is the FZ-N1, the Android-powered version. We've also got the FZ-F1, which is the Windows 10 Internet of Things version, enterprise version. This is a handheld device which is quite unique in the market. It's got an angled barcode scanner. The whole idea behind the angled barcode scanner is to have that to help in quite a barcode intensive type of application, reduce any arm or wrist fatigue. So when you're doing constant scanning, you can see what's on the screen. With the angle of the barcode, you don't have to put your hand into uncomfortable scanning positions. So the device is relatively slim and lightweight. It's got a 4.7-inch LCD, 500 nit brightness. It's got 3 application buttons on the front and application buttons on the side that are all programmable. So in this particular instance, we've got this set for a barcode scanner application. So to give you an example, if you read a barcode, so if I just move that to my colleague can show you. So when you read the barcode, I can instantly see what's available on the screen. If I take you around the device quickly, so we've got a power button, we've got a headset or an audio jack, and then we've got a connector on the bottom of the device. The connector can be used in what we call a full port replication cradle. This cradle can offer Ethernet and USB port connectivity at the backside, as well as having an additional space for a battery. The importance of the battery is that this device is a warm swap battery capability. So when you remove the battery, it's quite a solid fix. You can see where there's been previous water on the device, but I can remove the battery, place the battery back into the device, and what I mean by warm swap is it returns the unit back to a working condition. So warm swap basically means it shuts down the wireless of the device, but it doesn't close any applications. N1 is the Android version, the F1 is the Windows version. Both of the devices have exactly the same hardware. Both of them are 4.7 inches, 500 candela or nit brightness to the screen. It's a 16:9 HD screen resolution. Both devices are, as I said, they're the same hardware based on the same Qualcomm 801 processor. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM storage and 2 gigabytes of memory. And then just some other sort of minor features. It's got a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. We talked about the barcode scanner already. It's got an 8 megapixel rear camera to the rear of the device, with an LED flash for dark operation. I think the other thing that is worth mentioning, you can see the device is very wet and is still operating no problem at all. It's got 3 microphones on the device, so we do a noise reduction, so you can see the one microphone here, and then a third one on the rear of the device to reduce any noise in the background. We've also got a very simple light dock, or a docking cup, and the docking cup can be utilized in a very simple desktop cradle, also in a vehicle cradle. The device is, as the brand suggests, it's a ToughPad, so it's a fully rugged device, so we can drop the device from 1.8 meters. It's IP67, so you can submerge the device down to 1 meter depth for up to 30 minutes. And our sort of value proposition is the device can operate in very harsh environments with very low failure rates. So if we drop the device onto the floor, so this is a carpeted floor, but just to give you an example, you know, the device operates without any issues. So that's the type of punishment the device can survive that our users like. If we just make sure that everything's closed on the device, if I remove this other device, so we'll make sure it's powered on. So as I said, the device is submersible, so you can drop it into water and the device continues to operate. The devices that we have, so the Windows version will be available probably around the September time frame in Europe. The Android version will be available around the July time frame. If there's any more information you would like to know about the product, if you can visit our website, which is www.toughbook.eu, you can find all the information you need there.